Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to change gradebook settings to add gradebook categories and items using Desire to Learn. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to click on the Grades tab. And when you're in this tab, you have different options to select, either like enter grades, manage grades, or whatnot. For right now, we're going to go straight to settings. We'll click this button here. And this is where you can change all of the settings for your gradebook. You can change different grade details, user details, number of characters, columns. You can repeat final grades, and you can change what your start page is when you click on the Grades tab, which is why when I opened up the Grades tab, it came up to the Manage Grades tab. Additionally, you can change different org unit display options, and you can also change calculation options. So if you want the grading system to be weighted, if you want it to be points or formula, you can also select to drop ungraded items or treat ungraded items as 0. Additionally, once you're finished, you can click Save, and that will save all of your changes. I would suggest saving before you switch to other pages in the grade settings category. So now we're going to go back to grades, and as you can see, we have some different categories and items already created. I'll go ahead and show you how to create a category again. So go ahead and click the New button, and then go down to Category. And this right here is where we'll enter the name. So we'll go ahead and type in week 5. And with this just being a category, we don't need to enter points or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and click Save and Close. And for consistency, there's another item here, the week 4 discussion grade. So this is how you enter items into, like, graded items into different weeks or into the gradebook. So you'll click New, click Item, and then this is like, it'll give you an option of what kind of item we're going to be putting in. We're going to click Numeric, and here we'll go ahead and type in the name of it. So week 5 discussion grade. Here we're going to alter the points from 10 to 5. And it gives us options to select all these other settings, like category. We can select it for week 5. It allows us to drop assignments directly into the category that we're looking for. For right now, it also gives us the option to add a rubric, and we'll probably look at this later. For right now, we're just going to save and close. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and create another item. So we're going to go ahead and click New, click New Item. And then we're going to look at numeric again, since we're doing a point-based grading. And we're going to go ahead and type in our name again. Be week 1. Dropbox. And for now, we'll leave the points as is, but this time we're going to click the category, and we're going to select week 1, since it's going to go under week 1. And then once we are finished, we'll go ahead and save and close. I'll go ahead and do that for the rest of these. Okay, as you can see that we have a discussion grade and a Dropbox for each of the items. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add another item. We're going to add a quiz. So we'll go ahead and come over here, click Item once again. We'll select Numeric because we're doing points. And then we're going to give the name week 1 quiz. We'll go ahead and select the category, select week 1, leave the points as is for now, and then we're going to click save and close when we're finished. So as you can see, we now have in week 1 3 different assignments. We had a discussion grade, a Dropbox, and a quiz.